This video is brought to you by none other than your friendly Karen, digital entrepreneur, me. Today we're diving into one of the most underrated hustles of 2024, moving into 2025, and it doesn't involve MLMs, cold calls, or selling random protein powders to your family or friends. Thank goodness, right? So here's the scoop. People are literally making upwards of $5,000 a week by sharing what they already know. Yep, that's stuff that's rattling around in your brain. And it's probably the same knowledge you've been using your whole life. These ideas can be turned into digital products. And the best part is you can create these for free with tools like Canva. Seriously, it's so easy, it makes you wonder why you haven't started before now. Now, for those of you that are new here, hi, I'm Karen. My background isn't in mechanics or making sourdough bread. I've spent my life pounding nails alongside with the men, running 3 construction businesses and 2 pain clinics. It's been a lot, you know. It turns out because when you're running a construction business, people also need a place to solve pain issues. A coincidence? I think not. But after years of working hard and serving so many other people, I realized something. I've got a lot of knowledge about running businesses, solving problems, and making life easier. And so do you. And I'm here to tell you how to get started. Picture this. I was at the point where I wanted to bring value in a different way. Something that could serve people on a different level, without me needing to swing a hammer or working one-on-ones with clients as a therapist. I started making a list of everything I was good at. And it turned out it was a lot longer than I thought. Things I had learned, challenges that I'd overcome, and even a few of my big wins. Then I narrowed it down to the juicy stuff. Those pain points people would happily pay to solve. And that's when the shift started happening. Once I picked my topic, I got to work creating my first digital product. And trust me, you don't have to be a tech wizard. I created a free guide and ebook for $9.97, which I still sell today. I didn't think it was possible to make this kind of money with a $9.97 book. In a short period of time with regular consistency, I started averaging $50 a week pretty quickly and regularly, which averaged out to be about $500 a week and a little over $2,100 a month. And then, by the end of the year, $25,000, which was in the 52 weeks. You might be asking, where or how do you create digital products? My go-to tool is a version of Canva. I just use the free one. Whether you're going to decide on making an ebook, a digital workshop, or even a fancy checklist, Canva's got templates to make you look like a pro, even if you're not one yet. But wait, Karen, what about all the legal stuff? Yeah, I hear ya. Nobody starts a business because they love paperwork, unless you're an accountant or a bookkeeper, in which case go ahead and carry on. It's not hard setting up your LLC or your EIN, and you may already have all of this in place or have an existing business. Now, it's going to take time to decide how to package your knowledge. This is where it gets fun. And who doesn't like fun? There are over at least 54 types of digital products that I'm aware of, and I've listed 25 of them in the description below. And it's completely free. My advice? Keep it simple. An ebook or a digital workshop is easy to create and a great way to get your feet wet. Plus, Canva makes the process a lot easier. And they do have drag and drop templates, and it's completely free. Once you've got your product nailed down, you'll need a place to host it and a checkout page to collect payments. QL Solutions platform, it's what I use for everything from hosting digital products to email marketing, websites, funnels, workflows. And the best thing is it's all in one place. And you're not alone. We're here to support you. But Karen, I don't have a following. Let me stop you right there. No one starts with a following. You think I came out of the womb with a subscribers list? Ha! I wish. I'm building mine from scratch and so can you. My focus has solely been on Facebook and I'm shifting again on YouTube. Focus on creating valuable content and your audience will grow. If you need more tips, I've got tons of info on my Facebook page and I will continually add to YouTube, so keep watching. All right, here, let's recap the steps so that you can get started. 1. Brain dump your skills and experiences and wins. Find a juicy problem you can solve. Number 2, legally set up your business as a sole proprietor or LLC. And be sure to get your EIN number for taxes. Number 3, choose your digital product format. Check out my list of 25 free ideas in the description. And number 4, create your product using Canva. Keep it simple and to the point. A 1-page freebie and then a short ebook around 15 pages long. And then there's number 5, host your product and set up your checkout page with QL Solutions CRM platform. And then number 6, start selling. Continually share your product with your growing audience. And there you have it. This is the hustle that lets you take what you already know, package it into a digital product, and help solve your customers' problems while building a stream of passive income. Be sure to watch the next video for more helpful tips. And hey, don't forget to grab that free list. 25 digital product ideas, linked in the description below. Until next time, go out there, start creating, and remember, your knowledge is way more valuable than you think. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And I can't wait to hear what your ideas may be.